Hello, everyone, and welcome to today, Thursday, May 14th. Today is the last video of the week and our last hard lesson for the year. Yeah. So if get all your work done today, and all of your makeup work is fully in and completed, you will get tomorrow off. If you do have anything missing, it is due as soon as possible. You will have a full makeup day tomorrow, and then some days as well next week to get caught up and do a lot of one-on-one meetings with us as well to try to get the rest of them in. So this is your last full day of work. We have a day with science and writing, and then a little bit of vocab in there as well with as IXL. So let's jump right into it. Today and tomorrow, let's say maybe by 3:30 is the last day to post your ARs and Cs for your 40 book challenge. We will put a link in there that you guys can just post it right into the 40 book challenge. Just take a picture of your sheet right into Seesaw, but I'll put a link right into that. It'll probably go right into here on the Friday spot where it'll say where to post that. So just post it right into the Seesaw. I take a picture of your sheet after you fully complete your 40 book challenge, no matter if you're at 20 or 15 or 40 or 572. Just try to get that one posted up onto Seesaw as soon as you can, so we can try to track that and see how many made it. Um, as far as your reading goes, refugee, you have IXL Language Arts D2, score past 70. And then all of the groups, you have a FlowCab assignment, the compare contrast quiz. You did the read and respond is with the quiz. You did the vocab and the game today. So that's just an extension from today or from yesterday. Science, Landforms Day 2. It's your last science day as well. Landforms, hey, Crash Course Kids and the Grand Canyon are two videos I would like you to watch. And then you're going to think about erosion and weathering and how that is wearing on a piece of land over time. It's very evident in the Grand Canyon video. So you'll think about the erosion and the weathering and how that is wearing down earth materials. And you will add a post into that Seesaw activity called Earth Systems Interactions Over Time. Just follow the instructions built within the Seesaw and then add to your science folder. All right, writing day 9, you're going to check over your story. So make sure there's no red or blue lines under the words. So checking your grammar and your spelling, checking for capitalized letters and punctuation and everything. So make sure you check all of that over and then send that to us no matter where you're at on that. So by the end of tomorrow, you should be able to get that into us. Okay. All right, as you go, looking at Friday, the makeup day, if you're caught up on reading, so one pagers, IXL, AR, FlowCab, writing is your personal narrative, and that is shared with us. Math, IXL, and some Seesaws. Social was the Liberties Kids. Science is Seesaw Post and Schoology, and then all of your specials. Make sure you check all of that over on Friday morning. You'll be getting emails from us if you have any missing work. We are so far behind on all of the students that are missing stuff. So at this point, no news is good news. So if you're not getting an email, then you are all caught up on stuff. So we appreciate that. If you are getting emails or calls or anything, try to get those in as quick as you can. And then meetings, if you are missing stuff, try to get on with us. There's going to be a link on Friday now. I'm doing 2 days in one here since this is our last day. So there's going to be links in the morning and afternoon to catch up as well. Okay, so 2 days in one. We talked over our last day, which is Thursday, May 14th. Friday is going to be that makeup day for anyone that's missing stuff, and we'll keep going on from there. Please reach out with questions. We don't have any small group meetings or anything like that. Good to see you. Have a great weekend.